You're upset. What's the matter, Audrey?
Oh, Hal, I admire you so much. You decide what you're gonna do, and you just do it. Whereas me, I have no idea where I'm going, and just when I think I found a direction, oh God, I go and do something so stupid.
Take a deep breath, honey. Remember that time before you met Charlie when I asked you what you wanted to do with your life? You said, "I will go where love takes me." I thought that was so brave.
I was an idiot.
Yes, but maybe your love has taken you here to meet this challenge.